Want to make your Telegram channel stand out and bring in new members effortlessly? Today I'll show you how to add your channel link right into your Telegram bio, so anyone checking out your profile can instantly discover and join your channel. It's quick, easy, and a clever way to gain more traction, whether you're building a public group, sharing valuable info, or just want your community to grow. Let's jump straight in. First, open up the Telegram app on your device and head over to the Settings menu. You'll usually find this gear icon at the bottom right corner of the screen if you're on mobile, or in the side panel if you're using Telegram on desktop. Think of Settings as your hub for all things personalization. It's where you can tweak your username, privacy, notifications, and of course, your profile details. Once you're in Settings, look for your profile at the top. Give your profile picture or your name a tap. This opens up the profile editing screen. Here, where you can change your display picture, update your name, and most importantly for today, adjust your bio. Your bio is a short description that tells people who you are or what you're about, so it's prime real estate for promoting your channel. Now find the field labeled bio or description. The names sometimes vary based on your device or the Telegram version, but they mean the same thing. Tap on that field and you'll see an area where you can type or paste text. Here, the key, this is where you want to add your channel's link or public username. For example, if your channel is public, you'll have a unique username like @myawesomechannel. You can enter it just like that. Keep in mind, the @ tells Telegram that it's a username. Alternatively, you can paste the full TME link, like TME_myawesomechannel. Both methods work, but the full link is extra clear and ensures the link becomes clickable for anyone who visits your profile. Take your time with this step. Double check that you've got the username or link exactly right. A simple typo could send people to the wrong place, so no rush. Once you're happy, look for the done button or the check mark, usually at the top or bottom of your screen, and tap it. Telegram will save any changes you've made to your profile, and that's it. Now, whenever someone opens your profile, maybe after finding you in a group or receiving a message, they'll see that clickable link in your bio. With just a tap, they're sent straight to your channel, no further steps and no confusion. It's a small adjustment that can make a big difference, especially if you're trying to expand your audience or encourage more interaction. If you run a business, manage a study group, or host a community chat, giving people an easy path to your channel makes engagement that much smoother. Remember, don't worry if you need to update your bio later. Just repeat these steps anytime you need to swap out the link or tweak your profile info. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Telegram tips and tech tutorials. If you've got questions, drop them down in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.